My father started Nell & Sons back in 1980. We're 35 years into business. We mostly deal with high-end residential. We're basically a boutique HVAC company. The house basically is all exposed. There's no drywall. So basically our installation had to be installed in a manner where it's got to be aesthetically pleasing. Originally the system was 2 split systems with exposed ductwork. When I came to meet the client, I introduced to him changing the design to Mitsubishi ductless so we can get rid of the exposed ductwork. Try to streamline a little bit of the install. One of the main things of why I wanted to go with the Mitsubishi was more in reference to the VRF and the variable refrigerant, is because of the fact is that there's a lot of windows and exposure on this house, which was going to experience a big change in loads throughout the day. So I felt that the VRF was going to give us that capability to give us that modulation that we need to make sure that the house is always comfortable at every time. For this client, being an engineer by trade himself, once I kind of reviewed with him the VRF and how the Mitsubishi line works, he was very ecstatic with it and decided he wanted to go in that route as opposed to conventional equipment. The main thing he liked was the energy efficiency side of it and the modulation of the equipment, being able to ramp up and ramp down and provide the capacity according to the load. This is probably one of the first jobs where I've actually interacted more with the client in a sense of the actual install. Usually they just let me go free and do what I want to do, but this client was heavily involved in the process, which was kind of cool because at the same time he kind of understands not just somebody just going in and doing an installation at their house. He was something that's important to him. So I think it was cool on that side.